November 2021 tha hobada nupa ama ngote khun gimi Mizoram da school oza thabak toram ba do magi leifam sangau khun Longtlai district da nupi macha chahi 13 rom rep torga Chochanpur rom da lotna chen ba do Mizoram police na laga Chochanpur police ga punna ngurte khun do phare Kodar transit remand lorga Mizoram police na puthukre kumsi gi ningol cha ko ba November tang taruk duda Chochanpur jila da su meiti ngak tanatana tribe tungan bana su masigi numit se thoram pangthoi 50 Chochanpur SMLV hangkhanlian na su Chochanpur town manung da tribe tungan badagi nupi sing chakkowi loop kaya na su masigi numit da mapham tungan bada chakko ba thoram pangthoi November tang 3 dagi Manipur sarkar na private ga sarkar ga school mayam class 9 dagi mathak kaba yagani haire adubu Chochanpur jila da di 17 nursery dagi loina kai Chochanpur the school ma posing na education rom yamna importance pibagira tuition fee phangna bigira maram dikhangde Sarkar na class 9 gi mathak school ga college hangba yagani haiba numit makta da school boarding amadagi student 33 rom covid positive phangi private school mayambu numit khara thingraga hojika ni mahausa gumna mayambu school kanari India na independence phangba chahi 13 ga mari leinaba azadi amrit ka mahotsav gi makhada Chochanpur da leba Assam Rifle Riders singa Chochanpur Riders mayamna infal phawba bike rally ama pangthoi Manipur sarkar na drugs ga mari leinaba poppy cultivation mapham kayada leba thukai bi ba adum chathabada Chochanpur Police SDPO Vijoy Kumar Singh gi makhada First IRB 36 Assam Rifles NAB NCB DFO mayamna joint operation pangthokpada Tuibung subdivision manung chanba Tizojang area Taising Ching da poppy plants acre Tramangarom da thaba du thukai bire Manipur sarkar no poppy thaba kangbu singi damak makhoi gi hingnaba lambi atei sembigani di haire adubu matam yam logani sukhalle Manipur assembly mikhal lakedu maramda Chochanpur ga Ferozol district gi electoral roll in charge Hare Krishna na November tang 32 da Chochanpur jila gi DC conference hall da political party tungan ba deputy commissioner RO AERO mayam ga Paminraga electoral roll revision summary mayamdu yingki Manipur da COVID vaccine drone na arapa maphamna thadana plan gi makhada Chochanpur jila da ihan hanba wina November tang 35 da ICMR gi makhada Chochanpur government higher secondary school dagi Saikhot primary health center phawba trial run oina drone na COVID vaccine vial nipu rom delivered tawkhre sarkar na hargar dastak ki makhada COVID vaccine yum chatlaga hidak ka pagi scheme makhada medical department Chochanpur bazar mapham kayada Sunday natana numit atei mayamda hidak kappa bazar hat lonaki Masigi vaccine drive ase December tang 3 dagi tang 13 phawba manungda vaccine routine su semkhre Chochanpur jila da dengue leina kharabu phangbadagi malaria department na mapham kayada chatlaga dengue leina puba kang Aedes leba yaba mapham thi humba thoram pangthoi tipaimuk ga wangai ren samnaba thong Bailey Bridge adu Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh na Jiribam dagi video conference na sangakhre masigi thong ase taithu khun ga patpuim hun khun samnabagi barak turel mathak ta sabani adom da leiba prajam yamna kana gadobani covid leina gi hidak kapase masing wanghannaba gi maramda Chochanpur district administration na November tang kunni thoidagi kuntarit marakta hidak kappa mayamadu lottery system tawraga first prize listing manga second prize listing ahum third prize listing ani sime kharbu kanaba male Chochanpur District Hospital campus da saba MBBS seat chamarom legedo ba adu kanna thabak paikhatli masigi construction ase Donan Ministry dagi director na visit tawraga inspect tawki masigi building saba se hek loiraga MBBS class horaga ni su medical department na haire Chochanpur jila dagi ihan hanba Indian Foreign Service officer lathamung keiva madu November tang 19 da New Delhi da Max Super Speciality Hospital da concern laina dagi naraga lekhidre LKV mase lyric haibangak tanatana writers poet ga isai composers su oirambani International Day of People with Disability come SVEEP campaign adu district administration na DTC hall da thoram pangthoi masigi numit da people with disability me 75 da gift su piki Manipur assembly mikhal naksile Chochanpur jila da constituency taruk dagi vote lep ke dawami kayana newspaper social media ga platform tungan bada campaign hawnaki mi pham chawkhat number project tungan ba sulak pa hore Manipur da covid leina da na ba chang nem ba hore khaina miyambu harauba phungduk pamarakta covid leina anoba Omicron India da sulak pa hore ikoi jana ekhoilam da sulak pa ya ba phibam da lei miyambu checksin thorang amadi lona se